gosh. Where did it go? Sorry. On accident, it kicked us off of the video. That would just be part 1 in this video. Part 2 in this. Oh, I saw it too. Did you see that? How big that was? Maybe lift up the rock again? So lift up this one. No, this one. I'll do it. Oh yeah, there's a sleeping fish that's under the rock. I could have grabbed it. But that was fast, actually. So fast that thing moved. Let me try to look up here. Like this. Shine over here in this hole. Okay. There's nothing. What? No. Nothing. Nothing. I'm gonna let you put it. Oh, heard something. I heard something. Can I see it? Heard something over here. Heard something jump. Alright, don't squeeze that. Maybe if we wait a while, we can probably get it. It'll probably come out if we wait a while. Alright, do you wanna go back to the fish room? Yeah, I wanna cash it out right around here. But look closely, you don't want to step on that. Yeah. Oh, there's a little fish, I can grab that. Oh, you know, I was too slow. Right here, shine the light. I'm going to actually... What's that? Whoa, what is that?
What's that over there? What the heck is that?
Oh, fish.
I think it's big.
Yeah. Oh, there's my. Oh, there's your fish.
Where's that fish going? Oh, fish! Look, little fish right here.
Grab it. I'll grab. Oh, what is?
Wait.
It's right there.
Got him. Look at this.
Should we use it? Ooh, this is gonna be.
Oh, look how good this guy is.
Should we use it for bait?
Sure.
We shine the light. Let's see the light.
Oh, big fish. Big fish.
Oh, right here. Spirit. I'll hold the light. Hey, where did it go? I think it went in the hole.
There's some over here. There's some over here. Shine over here. Just in case I'm going to lift these up because I don't trust this spot. Nope, no eel. Okay.
Hey, you want to watch those eels? Oh! Nothing? Okay.
Nothing? Okay, I'm trying to look